One-to-One Infinite Transcendence with Maestro Santosh Ji. To get complete access to what you're born for and born with, for infinite possibilities. The process beyond logics and intelligence to uproot any type of life challenges once and for all. Be untouched by any future disturbances in life. And most importantly, realize limitless success. The pinnacle of consciousness and bliss. Sat Chit Anand. One-to-One Infinite Transcendence with Maestro Santosh Ji are only of its kind in the world, which are highly dynamic, result-oriented, eternal, measurable, and powerful programs.
I've taken sessions with Santosh Ji, and I've referred to few of my very, very close friends and relatives also. The challenges what I had as well as my friends or relatives had, really we don't know how it got resolved, but he really has some supernatural power with which most of the problems or the challenges what we take up with him is getting resolved.
Maestro Santosh Ji has realized his deepest universal exclusiveness, and he has dedicated his life to empower, transform, and transcend every seeker to reach their inborn exclusiveness. Hence, the seekers come out of any life's challenging situations and be at most happiness and peace with success at every level.
My cousin Somashekar, due to corona positive, he was shifted to ICU. He had BP, which has crossed around 280, with the sugar, which has crossed 400 plus. Situation was very, very serious. So that time we also didn't know what to do. Few of our known friends and relatives or their family relatives who had undergone corona, they suggested me that there is a solution available with Santosh Ji. So with that confidence, I also spoke to Santosh Ji, though I knew him before also. I had forgotten in between. And when I spoke to Santosh Ji, he asked me to do dhyana for a few minutes. So with that, I also with full of confidence followed his words. And now like a miracle, we could see my cousin has come out of the hospital bed. He's been shifted from ICU to normal ward, and within very few days, he will also come out of the hospital. So I thank Santosh Ji for guiding us and as well as helping us in this kind of difficult situations.
These are not just programs, but a phenomena of infinite transcendence with highest energy, supreme consciousness, and exclusive wisdom to one's innermost destinies and seekings. This happens through the medium and the device, that is, the Maestro Santosh Ji. Hence, every programs are personally handled by Santosh Ji himself, and never the same from person to person. And it is very unique to everyone like a fingerprint. No matter what you are bound to change for a greater life, irrespective of your present situations.
If you bring balance within yourself and access the deep inner real you, then the whole world is in your hands. Yes, this is your journey.
The mystic Maestro Santosh Ji, with his numinous capabilities, is helping humanity and every individual seeker to transcend infinitely. the end of all sufferings, beginning of conscious evolution of consciousness, and limitless success. A new chapter for humanity.